Welcome to livebyfaithnotsight.com. I just want to do a quick tutorial of some of the products that we have in store and some of the reviews. That way you have an idea of some of the people that's been ordering and their satisfaction about the product and about the shipping. Uh, my name is Jonathan Medina. I'm the co-founder of the builder livebyfaithnotsight.com. All right, so let me go ahead and show you some of the products. Now I want to just give you a quick detail about this bingo live that I'll be doing on my page. Let me show you my page. So basically, if you go to Facebook, Live by Faith, Not Sight Shop, you'll be able to go into the store right here. And then I'll do bingo live. Every once in a while, I'll do a bingo live where you can win prizes and cash. All right. So first prize, if you go to the livebyfaithnotsight.com, if you click on here, it's going to show you some of the prizes that you could be able to win when you play bingo. It's going to show you the prize that you can win. There's over 326 products that you could choose from, and you can win as first prize. All right, so first prize you either get a product or $20. Second prize gets $10, and third prize gets $5. And there's a $5 entry, so basically third place gets a free game. Right, so you get 15 numbers to pick from, and if your row hits, right, because we got 15 numbers and you got 5 different numbers on that row. If your 5 numbers hit, you hit bingo, and you can choose a prize or $20. All right, guys. So I'm just going to explain about that. So I'm going to show you some of the products that we have in store. So I'm just going to do a quick review of some of the products that are hot right now. So I got the Sand Blaster. I got the Slimming underwear for women and for guys. And we got the child carrier. A baby carrier is good for fathers and mothers, if you can see. Right here we got the tent. This tent is awesome for those that are doing camping right now. For those that are real, how got scary about bugs and stuff like that. This right here got the tent with it, where you could be able to cover yourself inside the tent. Pretty awesome. Right here we got the grill, the barbecue grill, stainless steel grill cleaner, where you can pour hot water in there and you can go ahead and scrub it, and it makes it much easier to scrub the grill. Right here it's got the foot, right? The foot file machine, pretty awesome. There's a hot sale right now. If you can see, I got 16 reviews already, 20 reviews with this shirt. Pretty awesome shirt. A lot of people have been ordering it. So just want to show you these products real quick. Now, if you want to see more of the products, you can either click on this image right here, where I got 1,321 products in here, and everything in this store is free shipping. Or you could go to Christian clothing, that you can see some more Christian clothing. Or you could go down to the bottom, you're gonna be able to see all the categories in store right here. As you see them right here, it's gonna be all set up as you search for them. We got leggings, we got kitchen supplies, kids clothing, jewelry. I'm gonna be adding more as we go. So we got bracelets, we got Christian clothing, we got fashion glasses, a lot of things. And not only that, you can become an affiliate for this store and sell products for this store. You're gonna have your own person. It's gonna be livebyfaithnotsight.com/ and your affiliate link, so you could register as an affiliate and sell for the store and make a 25% commission. So I just want to do a quick video about this. That way you can understand that all these products on here is all free shipping. All right, guys. So God bless and shalom. Hopefully everybody's having a blessed day. Hopefully everybody's being safe today and staying home. All right. So God bless.